What's up, everyone? I'm back this weekend, heading home to surprise my dad for his birthday. So let's do this thing. Got through security with about 5 minutes to spare before boarding. So that's pretty right on the dot. We got a flight to Dallas, then a flight to Atlanta, then a flight to Jacksonville. In Atlanta, got like 2 hours until my next flight. Fly out around 2:05, I believe. Gonna go grab some Sbarro's pizza and then watch some Walking Dead while I wait. So I know I just said that I was gonna go and get some Sbarro's, but then I saw Chick-fil-A. So I had to go with the Chick-fil-A. Now we're just gonna chill and hang out for a little bit. Made it to Jacksonville, Florida. It's a quick, easy flight from Atlanta. Just waiting on the little brother to come pick me up, and then we'll head home and get ready to set up the surprise. I don't even know what we're gonna do. All I know is I hope he has no idea that I'm even coming, so it should be fun. Okay, so my parents are on the way. I'm hiding in a room. They'll be here in like a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna give my dad a call and then walk out and surprise him. We got some GoPros set up in the living room, so it's gonna be sweet.
Are you going in the room too? Who's going in the room? Come in!
Come in. It's unlocked.
Hello!
Push that door, so.
Hello!
Hello. Ooh.
So now it's just here and then here.
But is it still sore?
This
Is it
is
twisted
sore.
like? Huh?
Like if you push on this thing, it's sore. And this is kind of sore.
It's shaky.
Hey.
Katie!
Hi, Dave!
Hey, what's going on?
We're at Jackson Zach's.
Oh yeah? Nice.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
We're coming over to get them sick.
Get them sick.
Yeah. Well, Jackson's already sick.
Yeah. Shoot that. Do you mind if I come over too?
What the hell? How did you sneak in?
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, buddy, how are ya? The man of surprises. That's pretty funny. How did you get here? And you knew all about this?
Yeah.
You're rotten.
It's her idea.
You're rotten to the core.
Today.
What the heck?
We literally got here like 20 minutes ago.
That's why we're late for dinner. Well, hi, thank you. That's so nice.